Hi guys, it's me, your sister Njide. Biko no, achọpụtara m mmiri anọ m nso. Amara dị m na-enwe mmiri otu anọ n'akụkụ be m. Taa ka m chọpụtara mmiri a. Hey, it's so beautiful. Water is so beautiful. I'm telling you guys. I'm sitting right here watching this water live. I'm sitting here live watching it. Please enjoy it. Hey. Oh my goodness. It's a very big water. I didn't know. I've been looking for water all over around my house. This is Maryland. This is Maryland. I live precisely around here. Never knew that I have a lake around me. I don't know if is it a lake or river, whatever it is. Anyway, there is life around me. It's so pretty. I'm taking you guys around. Oh my God, they look so pretty.
You hit the monkey.
They are coming to me. I'm forced to give them something. I know, they know I have something. Hi, baby. Hi, friends. What's up, friends? I'm here. Anjide na-ekwu no, ekenekwe m no, ekenekwe m no. Abịara bụ onye abịagbuni ya na mgbe ọ ga-ana mkpụmkpụ apụ ya n'azụ. Nekwenụ nni m na-enye unu. Ekenekwe m unu. Ekenekwe m unu, njide nwa unu na-ekwu o. Ọ bịara bụ onye abịagbuni ya na mgbe ọ ga-apụ mkpụmkpụ apụ na ya n'azụ. Njide na-ekwu. Ekenekwe m unu, my friends nọ na mmiri. They are coming to me. Ekenekwe m unu. Ekenekwe m unu, njide nwa unu bịara. Ọmụnwa bịara ihe a. I have so many friends. I have so many friends. I know. Everybody. I have so many friends. Hey. So many of them are coming. I have so many friends. You see? Woo! I have so many friends. Woo! Hi! How is everything? May I get all the riches I'm looking for. May I get long life and prosperity. Everything I'm looking for. May Chukwu Okike Abioma protect me and my family. Wow! I have so many friends here. Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Hello. Hello. Hello, my friends. Hey, hi. Hello, I have so many friends. I have so many friends. I try not to feed them, but they are all coming to me. Hello. Hello. I'm here. Is your friend? I'm here. Ikekero wanurunanu merengini. Oke nwaka kwalamo. Anakaranya Abuchi Akakaraya. Ebi Bamungamwanani Kakagi. I think they love this music. They love me singing for them. Ekekero wanirunanuma. Ekekero wanirunanuma. They love my music. I cannot believe it. Okay, mwako kwalamo. Anakaranyua Abuchi Akakaraya. I'm so happy that I found this water around my house. I never knew I had a water around my house. So I'm gonna be visiting. I'm gonna be coming, okay? Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Oh, wow. This is beautiful water. This is beautiful. It's a very long, big lake or river. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna find out what it is. It's like 5 minutes from my house, though.